Okay, so this is the walking on the way back. As you notice, the orange bridge over there. 13, 14. Yeah, so here's the walk back. Elephant Mountain. That supposedly looks like an elephant. Okay. I actually climbed that mountain. Here's on the path back, and you can sort of see on the top of that hill a little bit of a roof. That is somebody's house on the side of this mountain, overlooking the valley with the bridge and the Kootenay Lake. So here we are. Oh, and down below, those are really important to notice too. Those are all the suburban developments that are going on that are all the same. If you notice the cul-de-sac like formations for roads. So anyways, yeah.